Faster green cards in 2025? Don't celebrate yet. July 2025 feels like a major turning point for U.S. immigration. Some applicants are finally seeing faster green card and naturalization interviews. But behind that good news, something much bigger and far more dangerous is happening. President Trump just signed the most aggressive immigration enforcement bill in U.S. history. Asylum is no longer free. TPS protections are being stripped away. And a major Supreme Court decision is redefining how far states can go. Let's break it all down. What's real, what's risky, and what could change everything for immigrants right now. ICE accused of profiling in Los Angeles. In Los Angeles, immigrant advocates are sounding the alarm. ICE is being accused of racially profiling people, stopping and detaining individuals based on appearance, not immigration status. And it's not just undocumented immigrants being targeted. Green card holders and even U.S. citizens are reportedly being stopped. No lawsuit has been filed yet, but LA city officials are now working with legal organizations to investigate potential constitutional violations. In response, LA is taking steps to restrict cooperation with ICE, expand access to attorneys, and demand full transparency around arrests and enforcement. This could set up a major legal showdown between local and federal powers. USCIS processing speeds up, but only for some. Here's the surprising good news. Some applicants are getting interviews much faster than expected. In some regions, 400 naturalization interviews are being scheduled just 2 to 4 weeks after filing. Family-based Form I-485 green card cases are also moving faster in certain areas. Experts believe digitization, AI, and local offices clearing low-volume backlogs are helping. But this is not a national trend. Employment-based and asylum cases still face long delays, and USCIS hasn't officially confirmed any changes. If your case is pending, don't assume you'll benefit. This window may be temporary and limited to specific locations. HR1 is now law, $170 billion immigration crackdown. On July 4th, 2025, President Trump signed HR1, the largest immigration enforcement law in U.S. history. This law pours $170 billion into ICE, CBP, detention centers, courts, and surveillance systems. The law includes military support for border enforcement, expansion of immigration jails, increased interior rates, new screening tools for lawful immigrants. This isn't just about the undocumented. Green card holders, asylum applicants, and even naturalized citizens could face deeper background checks, fast-track deportations, and surprise detentions. Asylum now requires a fee. Starting July 26, 2025, asylum applicants must pay a $100 filing fee, a first in U.S. history. This applies to both affirmative asylum, proactive applications, defensive asylum, while in removal proceedings. If the fee isn't included, the application will be automatically rejected after August 21st. No waivers have been announced yet. This is a massive shift. Asylum was once one of the few immigration protections available for free. Now, it's becoming inaccessible to the very people who need it most. Advocates warn this could drive more people underground or into dangerous legal scams. TPS protections terminated for thousands. Temporary protected status, TPS, is being dismantled one country at a time. These terminations are final, not proposed. Haiti ended May 2025. Honduras ends August 2025. Nicaragua ends October 2025. Many of these immigrants have lived legally in the U.S. for over a decade. Now, they face deportation, even with U.S.-born children or businesses in their name. If this affects you or someone you know, talk to an immigration attorney immediately. Alternatives may still exist, including family petitions or humanitarian programs. Supreme Court blocks Florida's immigration crackdown. Florida passed a law making it a crime for undocumented immigrants to enter the state, even those with asylum claims. It also mandated jail time with no bond. But in June 2025, the Supreme Court stepped in, ruling that immigration enforcement is a federal responsibility. The law remains blocked. This decision is a major win for immigrant rights and sets a powerful precedent. States like Texas, Iowa, and Oklahoma that are considering similar laws may now face legal roadblocks. Temporary pass visa? Just a rumor for now. There's buzz online about a new temporary pass visa for undocumented essential workers. Rumors say it would allow agricultural and construction workers to stay legally without deportation. Let's be clear, this visa does not exist. As of July 2025, no official program has been announced by USCIS or DHS. Yes, proposals like this have appeared before, like the Dignity Act, but nothing has passed. For now, this is just speculation. Don't fall for social media hype or unofficial sources. Where we stand in July 2025. Positive developments. Some green card and citizenship interviews are moving faster. The Supreme Court is upholding federal immigration authority. Cities like LA are resisting unconstitutional ICE activity. Concerning trends, immigration enforcement is at an all-time high. Asylum now comes with a price tag. TPS is ending for thousands. Naturalized citizens and green card holders are facing new scrutiny. This is the dual reality of immigration in 2025. Faster approvals for some, crackdown enforcement for many. Don't make decisions based on headlines or hope. Stay informed, get legal help, and remember, on USA Alert Zone, we'll keep bringing you the updates that matter most. Like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's coming next.